Good morning students. Today we will study about multiplication and division, that is given in exercise 7.4 in chapter decimal. So today we will study about multiplication and division of multiplication and division in decimal number system. Okay, so very easy. Now see here. First we will see multiplication. First we will do multiplication. We will learn how to multiply the value in the decimal number form. For example, if we will have 3.6 into 4.5, we have to multiply 3.6 into 4.5. Then what we will do? How do we will multiply? The first thing is that you directly multiply 3.6 into, you directly multiply 3.6 into 4.5 and gives the result. Understand? Here you can directly do like this, and the other way is to make it bit more easier. So we will do the way by which we can make the sum easier, and that is how. What we will do? We will replace that decimal from the question. How do we remove? We all know how to remove decimal. What we will do? We will remove one decimal and we will place 1 0, because it is shifting one place here in question. We will remove 1 and we will place 1 0. Now what? It is 36 by 10 and 45 by 10. Now question becomes this: 36 upon 10, 45 upon 10. That means now this decimal is converted into fraction. Okay, now this decimal is converted into fractions of denominators in term of 10. Okay, so see here what we will do. We will multiply 36 into 5. Now see here, some of you, what you will do after removing decimal, after shifting decimal, when it comes 0, that means in denominator we will have 10 or multiple of 10. So many of you, what we will do, if it is going to reduce, you will reduce it. Okay, so it will become bit more tougher for you. The easier way, what? That let us remain this denominator in the term of 10 only. Okay, it will be very easy. We do not have to divide. Directly we have to multiply 36 into 45. See here what is the result. 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 6 are 15 plus 3, 18, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 6 are 12 plus 2, 14, 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 4 plus 5, 16, 1620 is the answer. 1620 by 10 into 10 upon 100. Now what? This is the actual result of this multiplication. Now this 0 will be removed by this 0. This 0 is removed by 1 0, and what happens? 1 0 will be, now what it is? It is now 162 upon 10. Now the result is now this 162 upon 10. We will remove 1 0 and we will place one decimal over here. So answer will be 16 decimal 2. This is the answer. Okay, 16.2. 16.2 is the answer of this multiplication. Very easy. Just what we have to do? First of all, we will see the question. Then we will remove decimal. We will shift the decimal places. Okay, in both the cases. What happened? This is only one decimal place, so we have to shift it only one decimal place. So when we have shifted, what we have to do? We have to place denominator 0 in denominator. That means in the multiple of 10 in both the cases. Now what we will do? 36 upon 10 and 45 upon 10. Now the question is turned into a fraction form. 36 upon 10 into 45 upon 10. Now what? See here, 45 and 10 can be reducible. We can reduce it. Why? Because both comes in the table of 5. Both are divisible by 5. But if we will divide it, if we will reduce it, what happens? It will become tough for us. Why? Because after multiplication we have to divide also. After multiply we have to divide also. So to make it more easier, what happens? We do not have to divide. We do not have to reduce it. Let it be in the term of 10 only in denominator. Okay. We will directly multiply, and in denominator we will have 100. 1 0 is C removed by 1 0, and another 0 is removed, and what happens? Decimal will comes in the numerator and answer will be 16.2. Okay. So in this way, what we have to do? We do not have to divide. We do not have to do much calculation. Okay. It is more easier. We do not have to do much calculation. Only we have to do what? We have to just multiply the value. We do not have to divide, or else we need to divide also. Okay. So this is the very easier method. So all of you adopt this. Okay. So this is very easy. Now see here few more examples. See here, 42.25 into 30.50. 30.50. Okay, yeah, 30.52. Now here it is 42.25 multiplied by 30.52. So what happens? We will have decimal here and decimal. Here 42.25 and 30.52. What we have to do? We have to remove decimal and we have to shift the decimal places. So what happens? 42.25 into 30.52. What we will do? We will shift the decimal place. Okay. How many places it is shifting? 1, 2. 1, 2. So how many 0 will come down? 2 0. That means 100. Here also it is shifting 2 places. So how many 0? 2 0 into 100. Now 44,225. Now what happened? Question converts to fraction upon 100 into 3052 upon 100. Now question is now converted into fractions. Okay. So now what we will do? We know that they can be reducible, because here denominator in term of 10, that means in 100, and numerator we will have 5 at the end. So by divisibility of 5, they both can be reduced, and they also can be reduced because both are even number. 2 is at last we will have 2, that means even number, and here at down we will have 0, that means 100. So they also reducible. But if we will reduce it, what happen? Then we have to divide also at last. At last we have to divide. Okay. So to reduce it, to neglect that division, what we have to do? Here we do not have to divide. We will not divide it. What we will do? We will directly multiply. Okay. So see here, 4225 will be multiplied with 3052. So 2 5 is 10. 1 carry, 2 2 is 4, 1 5, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Okay, 2 4 is 8. Now here 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 2 is 10, plus 2 12, 1 carry, 5 2 is 10, 1 11, 11 1 carry, 5 4 is 20, plus 1 21. Now here 0. So 4 0 we will have 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now again we'll have 3 3 5 is 15. 1 carry, 3 2 is 6, 1 7, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12. So 5 5 10, 1 carry, 4 1 5 6 7, 8 plus 1 9, 14, 1 1 2 plus 7 9, 6 plus 2 8, 1 2. So this is a very large multiplication. Finally we will get the answer 128947, 128947 00 upon See here, 100 into 100 multiply will get 10,000. Okay. So now what we will do? We have this will multiply 4,225 into 3,052. We will have result here. We have written. Only we need to multiply. Okay. Now here 40. That means 20 will be removed by this 20. 20 will be removed by this 20. And now what happens? 1, 2, 8, 9, 4, 7 upon 100. Now we will have this value. And what happens when we will remove 20? So what happens? The decimal will come before 2 place. So answer will be 1289 decimal 47. This is the answer. Okay, so I think I have made very clear how to multiply in decimal so that the solution will be easier and best method. Okay, this is the best method by which we can multiply the value in the decimal form. Okay, so I think I have made very clear. So all of you try to implicate this method while doing multiplication in decimal, and now we will learn how to divide. Okay, now division. Now we will learn division. Suppose we will have 4 decimal 5 divisible by 1 decimal 5. 4.5 we have to divide by 1.5. 4.5 we have to divide by 1.5. So see here what we have to do. We will write it is like 4.5 divided by 1.5. Okay, 4.5 upon 1.5. What we will do? We will remove the decimal. We will shift the decimal place. Okay, so we have shifted the decimal place. Now what it has? Now it is converted to a fraction. 45 upon 15. 45 upon 15. Why? Because both the term have, that means numerator and denominator. What happens? Both the term have only one decimal places. So decimal place is now removed. We have shifted the decimal place. If we will shift this to one place, so at denominator also we will shift to one place. Okay. If we will shift decimal in numerator to one place, so in denominator also we have to shift to one place if we will have decimal in denominator also. Okay. So now here 5 3s are 15 and 5 9s are 45. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 3. Answer is 3. So what happens after dividing? We will have answer 3. Okay. So like this we have to divide. We do not, if you are doing like this, 4.5 divided by 1.5. Okay, some question will come here, some reason. So this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. Okay, so you are doing a wrong way. Okay, so why? Because why it is a wrong way? It is why? Because it will make you more complicated. It will consume your time. It will consume more time, while rather compared to this, it will consume more time and it will be more complicated. While attempting paper during examination, what happens? If you will try by this method, the time will be consumed more, and what happens? You will not able to finish paper on time. So this method is the more suitable and more easier way. So I will suggest to adopt this method. Okay, not this method, because from smaller sections only we will have habit of dividing like this, of dividing the value like this, but that's okay. Okay, that's okay. But now what we have to learn something more. Okay, so a step ahead. We have to now place our foot a step ahead. Okay, so how do we will do? We will try by this. Okay, what we have done? we have placed this value as a numerator and this value as a denominator first. Then both the term, we have seen that both the term have only one decimal places. So what happened? Now if this numerator, if we will shift decimal to one decimal place, so here also we will shift decimal to one decimal place. Now what happened? Decimal is now removed. Now both the value turned to a fraction, 45 upon 15, and what happened? We have reduced. After reducing, we will have the answer, that is 3. Okay, so it is more easier. I will suggest you to adopt this. Okay, it is less time consuming, easy and more practical. Okay, less time consuming, is practical and easy also. Okay, now see some more. Like here, see, we will have 45.35. 45 decimal 35 divided by 2.5 divided by 2.5, 2 decimal 5. Okay, 45.35 we have to divide by 2.5. So what we have to do? We have to write this value as a numerator. So now write it down. 45 decimal 35. We have to divide by 2 decimal 5. Okay, 2 decimal 5. Now here what we are seeing? We are seeing a little bit a different case than what I have told before this example. What here we will have decimal place of 2 digits. 2 decimal place we will have. After decimal we will have 2 places. Okay, 3 and 5, 2 places, 2 decimal places we will have. So in numerator we will have 2 decimal places, and in denominator we will have only 1 decimal place. Okay, in numerator we will have 2 decimal place, and in denominator here we have 1 decimal place. So now how to do this? What happens? We will shift this decimal from here. So it is now shifted to 1 decimal place. So here also what will happen? It will shift it to 1 decimal place. Now what happened? It will lie over here. Okay, it will shift to 1 decimal place. It will lie over here. Now what happens? Now value is converted to 453 decimal 5 upon 25 upon 25. Okay, 453.5 upon 25. It is now shifted to this. Now what happens? We will